Hey, this is Mark Terracone from Northeast Electrical Distributors, and we have a special guest today, Jennifer Mansfield from Rockwell Automation. She's a business development manager for manufacturing analytics, and she's here to talk with us a little bit about what's new with the Rockwell Automation analytics team. So, Jennifer, tell me a little bit more about what customers' challenges that you've been faced with and asked for from customers with regard to analytics and machines.
So interestingly enough, probably the biggest challenge that I see with customers today is they actually have no idea how to start harnessing the power of the industrial Internet of Things and implementing analytics into their manufacturing operation.
Interesting. So what are some of the common challenges or questions that you hear from customers? Yeah.
Well, so I hear, how do I implement this industrial Internet of Things? And so I say, well, if you want to get started today in a very easy way, there's actually, a way if you're not already equipped in effectively diagnosing your control system, we actually have a way for you to utilize diagnostic analytics and implement diagnostic analytics very quickly.
Really?
And yeah, how about that?
Excellent. We like quick. Quick is important. How difficult is it for customers to diagnose problems with your new device or new system?
Well, so it's actually pretty easy. Let me show you how easy it is. So let's say that you've realized that you're not effective at diagnosing, or maybe you don't have the right skill set in your plant, and maybe you're not able to fill open positions, and so your workforce is pretty taxed. So you've determined that you would benefit from implementing a FactoryTalk Analytics for devices into your operation. So your FactoryTalk Analytics for devices arrives, and all you have to do to get started is, I'm going to narrate through a little video we have here. There's 5 questions. You select what language you speak. You give your appliance a name. We like to call ours Shelby. You set the date and time.
Excellent.
Which is really important because you're going to get regular updates. You determine whether or not you want cloud connectivity, which is not necessary. So here we're going to select we do not want cloud connectivity. You determine how your appliance will get an IP address. You could choose to automatically assign, or here you see we're manually assigning the IP address. If you click next, then you do set login credentials with a password. For purposes of demo, it's just weak here today. You can make it as strong as you like. And then you sign the end user license agreement. And you finish, you shut down. Literally,
that seems too easy.
It seems too easy, I know. Believe it or not, it actually really is easy. And so just in a matter of minutes, you have configured your appliance, you shut it down, go through the reboot, and literally immediately what you see next is all done for you on your behalf. No engineering effort required to get diagnostics and actionable insights to help you be proactive with your control system. So again, presenting you with information, historical information, real-time values on critical parameters. So like for a drive, key parameters like output power, output voltage, output current, output frequency. We're able to speak, Shelby is able to speak to devices that communicate over Ethernet IP today. But again, let's say you want to find out what's going on with your operation. As easy as typing in failed, you begin to see the status of your system.
So without entering anything, your device, Shelby, found all these on my network. So how many devices did it locate? It looks like it located quite a few.
Yeah, Shelby, one Shelby appliance will find up to 100 devices.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, pretty impressive.
Pretty impressive. And it looks like I have some action to take on a few devices from what you showed me.
Yeah, so for demo purposes, we have set up the system where it showcases, maintenance required. There's a filter capability. So if you don't want to scroll through, like this, you can actually filter based upon health type. I like to show customers that, who need help being able to effectively diagnose, typing in like a system status like failed, you get to see, what has failed, and it helps you understand where you need to do a deep dive. It's not meant to replace any of our tools that you use to effectively manage your control system, but this basically deconstructs all of those tools to present you with actionable information at your fingertips in one place.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much. And is there a summary of what the analytics device, the FactoryTalk for Analytics device looks like?
So it's a first of view thin client here. So this is the hardware required to run the software. You install this as a local client on your Ethernet IP network. Again, it helps you to reduce the MTTR by being able to proactively notify issues before they become a problem. And also, if you happen to be in a downtime instance, helping you pinpoint where you're having a problematic device so you know what tools you need to do the deep dive right up front, again, compressing the time to get back up and running.
Fantastic. It looks really great. We're excited to offer the FactoryTalk Analytics for devices to our customers. Really appreciate your time today, Jennifer. And thank you again for sharing your knowledge on this device, and we'll see how we can help our customers solve their downtime issues.
If you want to learn more about the device, please contact your local distributor, Northeast. We have a team of people between Northeast and Rockwell Automation who are skilled to go into a deep dive with you and determine if this is a right fit for you to start your analytics journey immediately, recognizing value today.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you very much, Jennifer. Really appreciate your time today.
Thanks, Mark.
Thank you.
Yeah, look forward to coming back.
Thanks.
Okay.
We look forward to having you back. All right.
Okay.